Good day, I'm Bani Dollar Ensemble, aka Dawson. I just want to do this tutorial just to show you how you can use the stop loss tool on a Bittrex. As you all know, it is imperative for you to make use of this tool in order to avoid loss. And at times you notice that some coins they normally rally, so you might not be sure whether there will be a reversal or a retracement in the course of that rally. So to avoid loss and losing some interest on your investment or that particular coin you are trading, it is very wise of you to make use of the stop loss tool. And it's advisable to activate the stop loss tool when the coin has appreciated a little bit, so that it can be behind or lower than your entry price. So let me show you how you can do that. This is GDB. I entered my entry point for GDB was at look at my sell order. I bought GDB at 490 Satoshi. Last entry I made, that's about 13,376.9 GDB, which I bought at 49 Satoshi, and already I've activated my stop loss for it, which is at 680 Satoshi. But because I've activated this particular one, I would like to use my remaining GDB, the one I'm still holding, for this tutorial. So after buying your GDB or your any particular cryptocurrency that you would like to activate the stop loss, how you can go about that? For example, like this GDP, my entry point is 490 and I want to activate my stop loss in case there is a reversal. So what you do, let me say I want to activate my stop loss for this particular quantity of GDP I have. First, I'll click on the amount. That's if you want to bid all your GDP holding or all the cryptocurrency you're having. Just click on it. After you click on it, then you select a price, a suitable price that you think you want to set your stop loss at. For example, from this sell portal, you can see that the highest order here is about 735. It's not advisable setting your stop loss at 735 Satoshi, because we know how the market is very volatile. It can decrease a bit and increase a bit by some Satoshi. So advisable, since the present sales price in the sell order portal is at 736 Satoshi, you can set your stop loss at 700 Satoshi or 680 Satoshi at least, so that if the price is dropping and it hits that your stop loss price, automatically your sell order will come up and it will sell off. But if it happens that GDB keeps on rising without dropping in price, that particular stop loss is set, and that particular content of GDB you're holding, it will still be with you, and you can cancel the order and increase your stop loss price. So as I earlier said, you choose the amount of GDB you want to sell, then check the last sell price. Maybe you want to sell it, let me see, let's set it at 700 Satoshi. Just click here, After you click on the first price, you go up, then you edit it. You're supposed to set it lower than the current rate. Let's put our stop loss at 700 Satoshi. This is the price, 700 Satoshi. Then you come down to the limit and click on limit. Then click on conditional. This place, conditional. You click on conditional. Then you go down to where there's road conditional. Then click again. Then you choose that. From the option you see, they said none, greater than or equals to. That's greater than or equals to this price. If you choose that greater than or equals to this price, that shows that if you get to 700 Satoshi or above, it will sell off. But since we are stopped, since the rally is still on, it's advisable we should put less than or equals to. So we'll click on less than or equals to. Then we'll put the price. We'll put the same price we put at. We'll repeat the same price we put at the GDP price at the upper portal. Put 700 Satoshi. After putting 700 Satoshi, we'll click here. So from the look of things, we are done setting our stop loss. Conditional. Then we put when the price is less than or equals to 700 Satoshi. But as you can see, it's even more than 700 Satoshi. So if there's a reversal to 700 Satoshi, this order will sell off. So then click on sell Satoshi. From here, look at, they said your sell order will submit when the next executed trade is less than or equals to 700 Satoshi. Then you click confirm. Then you wait for it to load. After loading, as you can see, it did not sell off. If you could have not set it at stop loss, it could have automatically sell off. Why? Because I believe other traders have placed their buying bid at 700 or so. But since we set it at stop loss, it will not sell off until there is a reversal or retracement and the price of GDP. But since the rally is still on, we'll still wait and be watching the market. We can adjust this based on the price movement. As we can see, the buy order is just increasing, the FOMO getting higher, getting much. People are jumping into GDP, so we'll still hold on to it, but our stop loss is activated. As you can see, look at the previous one I did at 680 Satoshi, but I'm going to edit it and make it like 700 since the current price of GDP is at 740 Satoshi. So that does it. I believe this short tutorial was helpful. I'm sorry for the little errors and repetition I made. This is the first time I'm making this kind of tutorial. So, and I believe that my subsequent tutorial will be better than this. Thank you so much.